Well, hey there, people. Well, I just thought I'd drop by to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hopefully you guys had a great one. Ours was pretty quiet, just spent it with Shelly, my son, and myself. It's good times. Anyway, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Anyway, I've been having trouble with my Drake. Let's go check it out. Well, I brought my trike into the shack here because it's winter out. Anyway, on my romp yesterday, the last little bit, I was stuck in first. The shifter pedal was just loose on there. So I got home, I tightened it up, still no good. So now I took it off. Let's bring the shifter itself in the house, have a better look at it. I don't know if you can see in there, but yeah, it's pretty stripped. Very stripped, actually. I still haven't looked to see if it's stripped on the motor part. Fingers crossed it's not, because then I'm really screwed. Well, this is a part I'm really worried about. If this is stripped, then we're stripped. Let's clean it up. It doesn't look bad. It really doesn't look bad. So I'll clean that up and have another peek. I do definitely, I'm going to need another foot shifter. I don't know what to do. Anyway, okay, let's clean that up. So I made myself a little magical tea with those shrooms whoever sent me. So I did some research on those shrooms. It's a Canadian company, and yeah, it's legal to buy mushrooms from them. They're not cheap, I'll tell you that. I'll let you know if they're any good after I'm done this tea here, but for now, before I even touch the tea, I want to concentrate on this. Got my toothbrush, give it a good cleaning. Clean all that shit out too. Well, there we go. That's really not too bad at all. So I'll just try to get a new shifter and I'll be good to go. Whew. That's a bit of a relief, I thought for sure. Because this thing's pretty stripped inside. Like, you guys can't even see it from here. But anyway, you've seen in the house. She's just fit it. It's funny how that works, eh? Like it was fine all summer, like no problem, nice and warm out. As soon as it gets cold, then there's a problem. I gotta freeze your digits off to fix it. Well, not in my case right now. Because we're pretty warm, eh, Cash? Look at them. The house is just in disarray. Anybody? What? You warming up, Cash? Well, I pulled the one off just to see, but yeah, it won't even work. It's not even close. So I need the right one. Darn.
Already finished your holiday shopping? That's why Toyota offers the fun-to-drive Corolla. With available winter features like heated seats and heated side mirrors. Find the Toyota that's right for you.
It's no wonder the dogs left me. Check this out. It's a warm one in here. Sauna. Love it. I don't believe myself right now, but check this out. This is the drain plug for the differential on my ATC. Anyway, I started loosening it and it just completely fell apart on me. Never in my life. Like, that's supposed to be one piece. Strange. Anyway, it's a good thing it happened at home and not on the trail. Well, I think I broke enough things for a couple nights anyway. Let's get out of here before I break more. So my strip shifter, anyway, I went to my computer and I went to Canada, Alberta Trikes, and I put that I was looking for a shifter. Within 5 minutes, like somebody answered me, and yeah, I'm going to Leduc, Alberta right now to pick it up. I don't know what he's charging me, but it can't be that much. Well, I'm meeting this guy at Canadian Tire. He says he won't be hard to spot, so. Excuse me. Yeah, I got a pretty bad cold. Yay. It's crappy tire. He says he's gonna park close to the road. Pretty obvious who the ATC guy is, eh? This guy. The fuzz already. Vintage. We're gonna get a picture of you standing. Yes. You should go dance. Well, I got my shifter and my diff cap, so we're good to go pretty much. Just got to put everything back together, easy peasy. Well, the trike's all back together. We're gonna try to hit the creek today. I can't get it from my backyard here, but I have another way, I think. Anyway, let's go check it out. So check this out. We got a new one. This one's named Zeus. We did a bit of a rescue the other day. Kiefer and I, that is. A buddy I met way back in Edmonton contacted me and he asked me if I would know anybody who wanted another dog, and it just so happens that Kiefer was looking for another puppy. So this is Zeus, same name as my Zeus. I don't know how that's gonna go. He's not fixed, so that's why we're growling a bit probably. Cash, be good. Yeah, how old are you, Zeus? You're just not even a year and a half yet, eh, buddy? He's Pitbull Black Lab mix. Well, I found a new way to get on the creek, so I'm on the creek right now. So far, so good. It's not too bad. Well, I don't know what's up with my end of the creek, but this part seems okay. Strange. That's the dog walking trails up there. Yeah, whoever came in before me were on three-wheelers. Beautiful day out. Well, I made it to the train track bridge. Yeah, it's funny, like this side's fine, like it's all frozen nice, but the spot behind my place is still wide open water. Oh well, as long as I can get on the ice here, I'm happy. Wade Creek. The dam. So my house is that way. Yeah, last year this was frozen like a month ago. Well, at least I got to play on this side and a little bit on the other side from my house. Like, but yeah, it's getting cold. That's a good sign. I gotta put my hands away. That's not a good sign. So my little town of Thorsby bought this property. So it used to be gated in, and it's not gated in this year. So that's how I get into the creek. At least I can get on. It was much easier from my backyard, but hey, it's all good. Well, anyway, this is what it looks like in my backyard. Usually the way I come down. Somebody's been on the other side. Oh boy. Like, it's not deep or anything, but if you go through the ice, it's a pain in the butt. So this part's not ready, that's for sure. Well, I had fun. I got cold at the end though. I wasn't really dressed for it. Well, anyway, tomorrow I'm gonna get dressed for it, and I want to go see how far down the river I can get, or the creek. I'm gonna try to get to a spot called the Dip. It's a dip in the highway. I got there last year several times, but we'll see if we can get there tomorrow. Anyway, people, thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. Happy New Year. And we'll talk to you guys later.